Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password and click on fingerprint ID. Then provide your screen lock password and now just click on unlock device with your fingerprint. So if you start a fingerprint, just tap on add a fingerprint, tap on OK, and here you've got the sensor, so just keep tapping on the sensor till your fingerprint is fully added. And tap on OK. Then, as you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.